Alright, we're back on this today. He wants a roll bar with a harness bar in it, and I think we're going to try to make it bolt in. So I'm going to take some measurements and get some data, and we'll get on this. Tacked to its base plates. It's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this bar to the base plates. Alright, we got it bolted in and welded to the plates. We now have to do the harness bar across the back and do some gussets down to the back firewall. This is how far I've gotten so far. Welcome to day 3 of me not wearing a black shirt. Basically, I'm at a stopping point right now because I can't find an 1 5/8" hole saw in Southern York County, so I had to order one of them so I can make the harness bar, and then we'll go from there. That is driving me nuts. Okay, cleaned up the trimming. Yep. Alright, we're back on this. It's been a couple days, been waiting for some hole saws and some material to show up, but got my hole saws. Got a stack of material over there. We're going to start with the harness bar now. not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about notching this harness bar. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but this tube kind of comes in at an angle like this. So that means I'm gonna have to notch the tube like this. And I hope I can figure it out. I'll probably mess it up once. We'll see. Here we go. Oh no. Alright, I messed up two things here. First thing, way too short. You can see it's much lower than those strap holes. Two, that gap. Oh, so sad. I wasted material, but I think it's gonna work out. So basically I need to make it probably 1/4 inch longer and change that angle by 1/8 of an inch. Okay, round 2. Got it right. Marked out where I'm gonna clean off the metal and we'll get this welded in. Wiggle a little bit up top. Decided to cut out these plates here. Getting ready to bolt this into the bottom. These will help support the floor underneath. So basically it'll be sandwiching the sheet metal in between this big plate here. These are only 1/8 inch. I cut the other ones at 1/4 inch that I welded to. Probably a little overkill, but makes me feel better. Normally I like to weld these in, but we're bolting this one. That pretty much finishes up us making a roll bar for this SW20. I still need to pull it out and paint it, and I also need to tie this rear seat back into the harness bar. I won't do that on film. That's probably gonna be pretty boring, but I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll catch you next time. Well, I lied a little bit. I figured I'd show you after I painted it and added that seat tie-in. So the seat tie-in is just a tube, the plate, which will bolt through those two countersunk holes. Got my plates all painted. Those were on the bottom of the floor, sandwich plates. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pleased with it. Looks good in black. I haven't bolted this in yet because I'm waiting on some interior pieces that need to go in before. That side has it, this side needs it. So before I bolt this in, that's all I'm waiting on. Thank you guys for hanging out. We'll see you next time.